Alright, so this time around here, we're gonna fix some more minute things. Like how it is not perfectly squared in this place. So we're gonna pull them down and make sure that the angles are accurate. Let's pull them in the front, skew them in the front with SY. Same for this, just use G to line them up. Let's also place these at their respective places. Let's give this curve a bit more of a resolution like that. Let's move these up on the x-axis. If we use the z-axis, it's gonna mess things up on the right side. See, as I said. So here let's use the y. There we go, perfect. Let's give this one a supportive edge loop, otherwise it's causing problems. Let's give that one too. There we go. Perfect. Now let's drag them just a little bit on the z-axis. And here we go.